I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube video channel on knives. Today we're going to be going over this thing. Bought it today from Walmart. It's in a $5 2024 Christmas gift section. And it reminds me a lot of the Hot Wire. So, let's open this thing up and see what it's about. Package says 7.5-inch folding knife, and got a plastic handle or plastic scales. Let's just go ahead and rip this thing open if I can. There we go. Glad it doesn't have the blister pack on it anymore. Okay, first look. First thing I noticed that it's a Tanto style, Tanto, whichever way you want to say it. And pretty slim. It's not uncomfortable at all. Not at all. Now, Tanto style isn't my favorite blade, but it's not too bad. There we go. Let me put my hand up under here. Or get a piece of paper. Here we go. There we go, if you can see that. So, got a little texture in the handle on both sides. You go ahead and close this thing up. Closes pretty easy. Yeah, it does look like a Hot Wire a lot. Almost the same size. Got thumb studs on each side. Opens pretty easy. Got a flipper back here in the back. Oh, that was easy. That was very easy. Closes up pretty good. Put it in your pocket with a pocket clip as a point up. There we go. I don't dislike this at all. Here we go. Here's a close-up of the handle right there. There's the grip on there. There's the blade. It is a liner lock. I would like this in a dark green a lot better than black. But it's just a personal opinion. Closes very easy. Opens very easy. No issues with that at all. No blade play at all. The pocket clip is not reversible. Some people like to reverse them, but all personal preference. Not too bad, really. Not too bad at all. Let's see how sharp this thing is. I feel a little bit of resistance in there. Not a great deal, just a little bit. No issues with that. Not my favorite. One reason I don't like Tanto style is because you got two different edges to sharpen. A lot harder to sharpen than a like a Santoku style, or even a clip point that has the curve. I'll probably carry this 1 or 2 times and then give it to a buddy of mine. Don't hate it. Don't like it. It is what it is, alright? It's not horrible. Be a good knife to keep in your toolbox, glove box, fishing tackle box, anything of that sort. Anyway, quick review. My name is Carl. I do appreciate you watching.